Hey everybody, welcome back to Madam Coyote's workshop. We've got a guest here today. This is Suri O'Killer.
Hi!
From what I made today. So tell us a little bit about your channel and why you're doing it.
Well, what I made today was my New Year's resolution. 2018 was a pretty rough year for me. I lost a lot of people. And at the end of the year I took a class, an art class, and I finally felt like I, had a little piece of me back whenever I was creating something. I wasn't thinking about all the problems that I had. I was just creating. So I thought about 2019. I know how to do a lot of stuff.
Right.
So I was like, well, why don't I just make something every day? Whether it's big or small, funny, not funny, personal, not personal. Let me just make something. And so that's what I've been doing.
I like the little faces on the popsicle sticks.
that is Michael's favorite as well. I framed that.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
I'll have to send, yeah.
So I'll put a link to her channel down below so you can go and check it out. She actually came over tonight because she has a project that she wants to do, and it's kind of dear to her heart, and I'll let her explain what we're doing.
Now this one's a little personal for me. So I didn't make these little baby booties. I found these little baby booties, and they were very interesting to me because there's only one of each size. So there's only one of each booty. I mean, those are the same material, but obviously one of these things is not like the other. And then there's like, my size when I was born with the size 10 foot that I have. So I thought that was kind of odd. So I took them, and then I got to thinking about my situation. I am unable to have children, and I didn't know that for a long time. So I always thought it was just my choice not to have kids. And then when I finally, figured it out, oh, I can't have kids. Oh, okay, that's fine. Well, then I met the man of my dreams. So I was like, well, never mind, we'll be having kids with this guy. So when I found these booties, I thought about making the project that I spoke to you about. I wanted to showcase these as a little ode to my journey of not having children.
Yeah, and when we took out these workbenches and all these shelves here, got all that old wood, and she really loved the look of that old wood, and she wanted to incorporate that into a project. So yeah, she's got some plans drawn out in her journal here that we're just going to kind of, I think, more or less roughly go over.
Loosely drawn. Loosely.
It's going to be a real simple project. Just basically a few boards glued together. So, anything else you want to say before we get started?
No, I'm looking forward to doing this.
All right, well, let's do it.
All right. Thanks.
get what you wanted?
Oh my god, did I ever. Look at this. This is beautiful. I know it doesn't mean much to anybody else, but I love it. This is exactly what I wanted.
So what are you going to do to finish it up?
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put tiny little hooks, and then I'm going to hang each booty in each stable.
Okay.
And then I have a little worded plaque that I've made with some paper, some parchment paper I made that's going to go underneath each one. And then it'll be a full piece. So once you finally read everything that's under each booty, it'll make sense as a full art piece. But another reason I want to do what I made today and to make these things is to get a bunch of the demons and things that are in my head out. And this is a big one. So I mean, I cannot thank you enough. This is perfect, and I can't wait to finish it. So. Thank you.
We absolutely loved having you here, and we're gonna have you back again soon.
Yes.
We got that new pen kit. You're gonna have to come back and show me.
Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna need a mandrel.
I got one.
Oh, awesome. Yes.
Kit. I'll show it to you later.
Okay. All right.
So, if you liked the video, click like. If you didn't like the video, click unlike. Either way, it's engagement, and we're gonna get credit for it. So, if you haven't subscribed and you want to, make sure you subscribe. And click the little bell so you get notified anytime we produce something. And make sure you get out to what I made today and subscribe to Suri, because she makes some really cute, cool stuff.
Well, thank you.
So until next time, bye guys.